Hello, this is Bhumika Patil. In third part of this chapter, we discussed about role of entrepreneurship in economic growth and the entrepreneurial processes. In this part of entrepreneurship development concept and scope, we will discuss about benefits of an entrepreneurship and the drawbacks of an entrepreneurship. Following are the benefits of an entrepreneurship: opportunity to create your own destiny. Owning a business provides an entrepreneur the independence and the opportunity to achieve what is important to them. Entrepreneurs want to decide what they want in their lives and they use their businesses to make their desire a reality. Opportunity to make a difference. More and more entrepreneurs are starting businesses because they see this as an opportunity to make a difference in a route or a way that is personally important to them. Opportunity to reach your full potential. Many people find their work not challenging and not exciting. For entrepreneurs, there is a little difference between work and play. Entrepreneurs see their business as a vehicle of self expression of personal desire and eventual self actualization of their personal goals, that is, the pinnacle of their career success. Opportunity to reap extraordinary profits. The profit earned by an entrepreneur is an important motivation and indication factor for further increased performance. Thus, these could spur them to greater achievement and success. Societal responsibility and recognition. Small business owners are among the most admired, respected, and trusted individuals of the society. Customers have shown their trust and faithfulness over their years for their business. Help to contribute employment, business opportunity in a particular locality or area. Opportunity to engage in work of their choice. Small business owners tend to engage in business that gives them personal satisfaction. Though they may work long hours and engage in very industrious work that is beneficial to their organization and themselves. Most of all the work they engage in help to benefit the community, society and the nation. In last slide we discussed about benefits of an entrepreneurship. In this slide we are going to see about drawbacks of an entrepreneurship. First one, uncertainty of an income. Opening and running a business provides no guarantee that an entrepreneur will earn enough money and survive. Engaging in the wrong business and not able to gain an advantage in the short run and eventually in the long run can be disastrous. Great effort and proper and effective management need to used in beginning to ensure the organization's success. Risk of losing your entire investment. Small business have a high failure rate. Though is successful initially, it faces financial difficulty within the next 5 years. Entrepreneurs must be prepared to face the consequence of failure. Entrepreneurs must have acute sense of observation and be able to detect the early signs of failure. If a business fails, the entrepreneur must have a contingency plan to overcome a bankruptcy or personal failure. Long hours and hard work. Entrepreneurs tend to be generally workaholic and under tremendous pressure to produce the result they expect. Entrepreneurs seldom find time to be away from the business but tend to pour all their efforts and resources to achieve their personal entrepreneurial objectives. Some even go to extent of making big sacrifice and deprive themselves of a personal life, wife and children and social and family associates. Lower quality of life until the business gets established. In order for the business to be successful, The entrepreneur must engage himself to produce the kind of result he or she expects. He or she cannot rest on his or her laurels until and certain the business has stabilized and established. High level of stress. Starting the business can be very rewarding experience, but it can be a stressful. An entrepreneur have left the comfort and security of the secure job to venture into their own business. Failure can bring about tremendous personal failure and in turn creates intense levels of anxiety and stress. Financial burden may increase and the entrepreneur may be or may face difficulty sustaining the business or may decide to call it for a day and wind up the business for good. Complete responsibility. An entrepreneur must be prepared to make decisions that are unfavorable or swallow the bitter pills. Must take decision in areas that the entrepreneur is not familiar at all. Fear of making decision that can have a devastating effect on the business and its people. Tremendous pressure to perform as an entrepreneur is to deeply engaged in the business. Discouragement. To undertake a business requires a lot of dedication, discipline, and tenacity. During running the business, they will face many difficulties, obstacles, which may be difficult to overcome. Further difficulties, discouragement, and disillusionment are common emotions. Successful entrepreneurs escape through rough times or difficult times through sheer hard work, self confidence, and full of optimism. In the next part of this chapter, we are going to discuss about mistakes in entrepreneurship, how to avoid failures in entrepreneurial business, and woman empowerment in India. Thank you.